Linking your bank account to Pictory is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively within the platform. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Pictory account. Start by accessing your Pictory account using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account Linking. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Pictory and enjoy seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pictory's customer support for assistance.